You're gonna love the 2010 Chevrolet Traverse. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 120,000 miles on the odometer. Answer the call for adventure in comfort and style in the bold, spacious Traverse. Its quiet cabin, flexible cargo storage, safety features, connectivity, and all-weather capabilities infuse every drive with confidence. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: moonroof, heated driver's seat, third row seat, keyless entry, remote engine start, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, premium sound system, power liftgate, backup camera. Maximize comfort, minimize stress. Drive the Traverse.